I'd like to talk to you a little bit about one of the main uses of the ToolCLEAN Ultrasonic Cleaner System by IPS. So at plants, oftentimes there will be aluminum pickup on necker or body maker dies. And a typical plant solution for this will be to use either emery cloth or Scotch-Brite and manually clean off the inside surface of the ironing die, taking off the aluminum. And the good thing about this is that it's a quick fix and you get your die back into operation. The downfall of it is that it takes manual effort, and by using an abrasive, you're actually changing, even if slightly, the surface finish of the actual tool. So the ToolCLEAN system addresses these issues. So the way that we would use a ToolCLEAN system in this situation is we would put the dies into a tray, we would load caustic solution into the ultrasonic cleaner, and we would turn it on, at which time the heat of the solution actually rises. We end up dropping the tray into the caustic solution, and then we walk away. And so after a few minutes, we'll take the tray, we'll put it into the rinse tank, and then into the drying rack. So by doing it that way, you have a couple of things that work to your advantage. One, you can clean multiple tools at the same time. Two, by using ultrasonic and caustic solution, we end up getting a nice clean die. And three, this is not damaging the tool at all. So right now I'm going to show you a couple of images of before and after the ToolCLEAN system. If you have any further questions, please give us a call, email us, or visit our website.